Get a glimpse, but here's some water falling on the side of the road. I just happened to stop here because behind me is a creek, and I saw this and just loved it because of the sounds, and I'm not sure if you can hear it in the video, but so divine. So divine. And we're going to also venture over here. And this is what I kind of saw in here. Where beauty is kind of tucked in the middle of nowhere. Ah, look at this crook. Oh, what a perfect morning meditation spot. See if I can get down here with my boots. Wow. What a hidden little gem. A hidden little gem. So I'm not sure about the autofocus because I can't seem to get the reverse. But this is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just looking around here and I'm just in awe. Look at this, and I got like the dew. I don't know if you can see on the camera, like this dew coming up off the water. Alright, gotta kind of pause here because I do have a meeting to get to, but enjoy your day.